Established in 1978, TMT has enjoyed over 40 years of successful business experience. Throughout this time, TMT has continually placed customer satisfaction as our first priority and put considerable devotion into the manufacturing of machine tools. TMT has transformed into an internationally renowned professional manufacturer successfully. We possess 12-year experience as a machine tool manufacturer and earn many affirmations from our customers. TMT provides customers with comprehensive professional production line in intelligent CNC lathes, vertical machining centers, high-speed coupling centers, color-moving gantry-type machining centers, and 5-axis machines. TMT will continually invest more precision equipment for production, measuring, and inspection. We will also keep developing more powerful machine tools to react the ever-changing world market and satisfy the diversified needs of customers. TMT, good choice and partner for you.